Jesse, did you fill your pants? Did you stink your pants up?
Have a laugh. From Saturday Night Live, it's the Christmas tree.
Did you stink your pants up? Does Auntie have to change your bum?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jesse, who's that? Dad. Clap your hands. Oh, you really keep the beat, boy. Oh, careful. Give Katie a kiss. Give her a big kiss. Good boy. Does Auntie get a kiss? Yeah, go! Rock and roll! Ooh, yeah! Ooh! Da 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 da! Wish it was Christmas Day! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Rock and roll, Jesse! Jesse James! Say bye-bye, Jesse! Jesse, say bye-bye! Say bye-bye to Auntie! Jesse! Say bye-bye!
Now here's something you don't see every day.